Hello dear friends and travelers, we are in episode number 6 of Beer Rounds. We spent the last 2 episodes in Marrakesh. I had an amazing time. I hope really enjoyed the last 2 series, but it's time to move and the destination is Sahara. In today's episode we're gonna make some new friends. I have a new friend here. We're gonna be part of camel fight. What's happening there? Oh. Aggressive body. Hey. We're gonna make some more friends. What the guys at the back thinking about the ginger beer? No?
It's really good.
It's really good.
It's fancy.
And the view gonna take my breath out. So make yourself comfortable, take some popcorns, take some chocolate, pizza, sausage, whatever you're up to, and what's one reason why the people should visit Morocco?
There is more than one reason why you should visit Morocco. Morocco is a land of history. Morocco is a land of diversity in landscape. Morocco is the land of hospitality. Morocco welcomes you all the year. Welcome to Morocco.
Episode number 6 of Beer Round starting now. Atlas mountain and we're going for Sahara tour. Morocco, to fly a drone you need to have a permission. Even in so high in the mountain, I just fly the drone and the guy just go out and just like no, you can't fly here, the police gonna come and gonna confiscate it.
Today, please, we will visit like the small Medina of Ouarzazate, the oldest part of the town of Ouarzazate. Families come out and celebrate here. La Plaza Pubblica. Role of Bin Laden. Yes. You know. Yeah. Aziz is a very friendly man. This is prison break. Prison break. This is Aziz.
We're in Ouarzazate, if that's correct, I'm not sure, but the translation is the quiet city. Well, we're in Morocco, in the desert. I'm riding a camel, it's pretty unstable. My god. Why are you laughing at the back?
Sorry.
Thank you very much, buddy. Thank you. You've been a good camel. It was nice ride. Thank you. We're not exactly in the desert, but there is the sand. There is nothing around us. We're in that camp. That's gonna be our camp. We're gonna sleep here for one night. Sabah here. Again, if you pronounce it right, I don't know. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's very cold. Very, very, very cold. They make a campfire for us. We're having again muchos problems, and the muchos problems is that one of my drone battery is broken. I understand this now. I don't have more drone power, so sorry guys. We're just gonna jump on our bus.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
The guide said there was that was storage, gold, and for every kind of valuable things. But look at the door. It's pretty safe now. Pretty fucking safe.
We have mountain, we have not very far, we have the Sahara with sand, and more important in Warzazat, you have the light. You have in Warzazat maybe more than 300 sunny days.
If you're thinking that if I was having the drone and put it here just to take a video of all of that beautiful picture around us, that was going to be sick if I was having a battery. But I don't have battery on the drone, so the drone's staying in the bus. And yeah, pretty sad.
Turn my head and hold it high, but it's making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I wanted to.
Lunchtime.
Yeah!
Woohoo!
I'm starving.
I don't know how I'm doing it every time, but every time I'm getting so late for the flight. I hope I'm gonna catch it. These guys, don't let them in. Don't let them in, these guys. Well guys, I'm on the airport. Morocco is finished. What an amazing experience was having. So subscribe to the YouTube channel because we'll keep rolling this way. Thank you very much for the watching and see you at the next week.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed